All right, welcome back to Al's Home Kitchen Pizzeria. In my last video, I showed you how to make a dough ball. We made the ones that we made in the video. I put them in the refrigerator overnight, brought them to room temperature today, let them sit out for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and this is what we got. So now I'm going to show you how to shape it into a pizza. So the first thing we have to do is get it out of the bowl, which should be pretty easy. You want to put it in a little bit of flour just to get it coated a little bit, and then just a lightly floured surface. So now we've got our dough ball. Looks like this. The first thing I do is I put my palm in the very middle, being careful not to crush the edges, and just kind of give it a little bit of a push to get it started. From there, you can take your fingers, again, leaving the very edge alone because that's where we're going to make our crust, and just kind of push away from you. And then we're going to flip it over, rotate it 90 degrees, and we're going to do the same thing again. What we're doing is we're pushing all the air out to the edge, where we're going to have some nice bubbles in our crust that are going to be great. Once we do that a few times, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make our edge. So we're going to take our fingers and we're going to push down where we want our crust to be to seal that in. So all those air bubbles we just pushed there, we're going to kind of seal them in, and they're going to pop up nice in the oven. So now you can kind of see the imprints around there. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do that one more time just to make sure I've got a good seal. And then from there, we're going to take it in our hands, and there's multiple ways to do this. One way would be to hold it like this and just slowly turn it like this. I prefer to put my hands under it like that and just slowly turn it and let gravity kind of, you'll see it's kind of pulling down. And you'll see it stretching out nice. You can almost see through it already. Once you get it to the size that you want, which for us we want to go as thin as we can without breaking it. If you do tear it, that's okay. You can just kind of pinch it closed if you have to. So from there, we're going to go ahead and put it on a peel, and we'll top it and put it in the oven. And I'll come back and I'll show you in full speed what this looks like. Okay, so now we're going to do the second one in real speed and let you see what it looks like once you get good at this. A little bit of flour on my hands. Let the dough fall out. And there you go. All right, hopefully you picked up a little bit from this. Be sure to subscribe and like, and more videos will follow.